How to get the Trickster voice filter on TikTok. If you're wondering how to get the Trickster voice filter on TikTok, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your TikTok. Now you'll see a little plus sign at the very bottom, so go ahead and click on that. Now this voice filter is applied after you record your video, so go ahead and record however long you want. Now once you're done, go ahead and click the tick mark. And if you look at the right side, you'll see an arrow at the very bottom, so go ahead and click on that. And you'll see at the second last option, it says voice. So tap on voice. So all the voice effects will be shown up here, and the Trickster should also show up here. And you should just select Trickster, for example, if it was that one, and click on save at the very top right corner. However, if the Trickster option is not showing, you can always go back and click on your profile icon. Click on the three bars at the very top right corner. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. So if you scroll down, you'll see under support and about, it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you can see it says submit a report. So click on submit a report. Go ahead and say, I don't have the Trickster effect. Please help me get it as soon as possible. And you can even upload a screenshot by clicking on this picture icon, or a video by clicking on this video icon. And once you type something, then you'll be able to submit. However, in the meantime, what you can do is go ahead and go to CapCut and go to the project, the video that you wanted to have the Trickster effect. And in this, what you'll have to do is go to text and add a text, for example. And once you type the text, you'll see at the very bottom it says text to speech. So click on that. So here you will get the Trickster effect right here. And if you press the tick mark, then it will convert what you have typed in the Trickster voice effect. So you can use this method in the meantime if you don't have the Trickster effect on your TikTok, and you can upload this video to your TikTok.